Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a this lecture is discussed here. A rotation and symmetry 2 command is discussed here, and guys, CATIA lecture 96 is also discussed here, and translation lecture is previous lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is a 96 का B part 2 is a rotation command and symmetry command is discussed here. Okay, and guys, at first open a CATIA software and then use, and this is a learn here easily and clearly rotation command and symmetry command. Okay guys, this is a 3D body already create here, and this body is use and help rotation and symmetry 2 command is discuss here one by one. Okay, at first draw a rotation definition dialog box is pop up, and this is a definition mode is a 3 type. First is a axis angle, second is a axis 2 elements, and third is a 3 point. Okay, one by one is discussed here. Okay, at first axis angle. Okay, at first any axis, this is a this axis, and this body is a angle, any angle. Okay, this is a correct preview is showing here any axis and then angle. Okay, this body is preview here and this body is rotate. Okay, and also this is a axis 2 elements, means first is axis is a this also this axis, and first element is a first element means, and second element. Okay, this is a first element. Okay, this perfect is a this first element, this point, and second element also this is a this body is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and rotate also axis, this is a axis. Okay, and first element is a this point, and second element is a this point. Okay, this is a this point. Okay, this is a perfect body is rotate here. Okay, this is a perfect and also discuss here. Okay, this body is a third point is discussed here, and third point is a 3 point. First point is a this. Okay, second point is a this this first point, and second point is okay, this is a correct. This point is a this, and also third point is this. Okay, this is a correct body is rotate here, and this is a correct. Okay, and isometric we use drawing here. This is a fit all in and zoom. Okay, this is a correct. This body is a correct. Okay, and next is command is learn here symmetry. Symmetry is a very important command, and this is a symmetry reference this. Okay, this is a opposite side, and this body is a opposite. Okay, symmetry is very important command because symmetry is important command. Then this body is any, this face is click here, and then is a opposite, this is a opposite side is discussed, opposite side showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a this face is click here, and this preview is a opposite side, and then this is a this hole is a this hole, and this is a edge point, this is a opposite side. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a zoom out. Okay, this body is a perfect. This is a nice. looking here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, body is correct. Okay, okay guys. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Both command is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.